Hello and welcome back. This is Stephen Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. I would like to introduce this. This is in the post number 15. The first coin we have here is a Pubjoy mint coin. It is from South Georgia and South Sandwich Islands. It's part of the Heroic Age of Antarctic Exploration series. This is a second coin of 3. Sorry, this is the third coin of 3. And will be reviewed shortly. Now, the second coin I've got, or the second lot of coins I want to show you, is this set of 3. There's that one, there is that one, and then there is that one. The 3 of them make up a series, the Tutankhamun series. They are all from the Sierra Leone and have a value of $1, and the metal is veritum. Each of the coins has a maximum mintage of 999. I will be doing a review on this series in the upcoming weeks. There's 3 coins in that little set. Then I had a bit of luck. Change Checker finished the Winnie the Pooh series a few weeks back, and they put up this 9-coin set. And this 9-coin set, you had to sort of like and comment on the video that they'd just done, and much to my surprise and delight, I won. I've won the full set of the 9 coins that were issued over 3 years, and more importantly, perhaps, I got Pooh. Now this Pooh bear, this soft toy, was with the both Alexandra and Alex and Rachel. If I remember rightly, Alex gave him a cuddle and didn't want to lose him. Lucky bear, eh? So, this is what I got from Change Checker. I'm very glad to have it. It's a wonderful bear. I intend to keep it as a memento. It won't be going on to any children or anything like that. It's staying with this big child. So, I have a Pooh bear, and I have the 9 coins from the Winnie the Pooh series. Again, I will be doing a review on that. There was another thing that I need to get out. I've just got to find it now. Excuse me a moment. I'm getting ready for Christmas and for the Christmas videos, and I wanted something different to launch my Christmas videos. So what I've done is I've got this from eBay. It's an ad icon. I think they call them ad icons. I don't know an awful lot about it, except that a certain soft drink, which is shown here, have done 2 or 3 of these particular ad icons. I think there's the polar bear, which is this one. I think there's one with him with sunglasses on as well, and there is also the one that's out this year, I believe, is Santa Claus. So I'm looking at getting the Santa one as well, and using these during my openings and closings of my videos over the Christmas period. So yeah, lovely little it's actually quite heavy. It's heavier than I thought it would be. It's only a 3-inch figure, but it's quite solid. It weighs about £1.5, I suppose. Pound and a half. But that's it, and that's one that will be in my reviews during the next few days, the Christmas period ones. So that's, along with the today I'm beginning to get a little bit of a collection together. I am looking for Halloween stuff as well, which is perhaps the next big one at the end of this month. So I hope to do something a little bit different over those periods of time. As you may have realised from the last video, I very fortunately, due to your good graces, got past my the target I set myself for this show, which was a minimum of 100 subscribers. To all of you who have subscribed, thank you so much. Being over 100 means so much to me. It's my first target. I will be doing a subscriber giveaway in the next week or two. I'm just getting everything together and getting everything sorted out. And I may ask for your help, so watch out for that video later on. So, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins that you're looking for. If you're buying coins, no matter where you're getting them from, I hope you can get them for the price that you want to pay. I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you will want to watch. For those of you who've subscribed, thank you so much. For those of you who haven't yet, please think about doing so. I would love to have you along for the rest of my journey through coins and banknotes and militaria, and also I do have one also for collectibles, as you've just seen. I do a few collectibles. Until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you very much for staying to the end, and from me, bye-bye. Ta-ra now.